This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the Python A to Z course. So myself Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I am a working IT guy. I am providing the trainings on mainly automation tools and cloud environment. I have a strong knowledge on scripting languages and programming, especially on PowerShell, Python, cloud environments. Guys, before going to see this demo session, let me explain to you about this course information. Yes, so we are going to start this journey from the completely scratch. Even the person, those who don't know even a single command, we are going to start from scratch to is a 870 plus hours content, scratch to advanced level we have in this course. And remember, there is no programming knowledge. I mean, I am not a programming background guy, or I am a non-IT, or I am belongs to admin team. No, here also no programming knowledge required. And it's a weekend batch. It's a weekend batch. So every Saturday and Sunday we have a session. The timings also fixed 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. 9:30 a.m. IST for Sunday and Saturday also. These are the fixed timings. After every live session, you will get the daily recording. Every live session after, you will get the daily recording. Up particularly that session information, that session recorded one. Yes. Uh, 7, just drag and drop the screen, you will get the full screen. Mostly you have a, in this way, your screen now presently available to you. Like if you take this is your screen, attentive 1, 2, 3 like that there. Just to drag and drop this one. Otherwise, plus symbol is available. Just increase this one. Okay guys, closely observe here before going to this one. So after every live session, you will get the daily recordings. I mean, which is available to you download option. You don't worry about that one. Download option also available. With the download option, we have it. Right? So this is a completely fees is for entire training is 3,000. Mostly we are planning to close this one in 3 months. Definitely in 3 months. Mostly even 1 week, maybe if any Sunday or Saturday is missing. 12 weekends I am expecting. 12 weekends I am expecting. This is a maybe plus one of this one, but never it will be minus one. Plus one of the 12 weekends. Plus one or two. 1 or 2 weekends. I mean 12 or 13. That is a expected one. Usually we have a weekdays batches are there. Yes. Now mostly we don't have the option work from home. That's why this is the second batch we are starting in the weekend. A lot of batches are running and completed in the weekdays, Monday to Friday. But this is a completely weekend batch. Okay, fine, sir. Really, this is I'm not mesmerizing you. I'm giving a genuine statement. You are a admin people, or you are planning to learn the programming knowledge, programming skills. If you want to increase the programming skills, or you came for the cloud environment purpose. Now cloud Python is mandatory everywhere. If you go to everywhere, Python is mandatory. You belongs to cloud or DevOps, anything simply, right? So cloud really now at this point, just I'm talking outside of this demo statement, Python plus one another scripting language. And Linux is also one of the mandatory things if you want to survive in the IT field. Yes, we have. So definitely I will come to what are the things I'm going to cover in this training. Okay. Believe me, we are going to start like how we start the school journey, like A, B, C. Like that, I will take six things only. In this one, I mean in alphabets or in English, we have a 26 alphabets are there. Like that, in Python also few alphabets are there. From the zero, we are going to start. But one thing is very clear. Out of 70 plus hours, really, believe this word, out of 70 hours, you need to allocate 45 to 50 hours. It is mandatory. Depends on the first 45 hours, 45 to 50, 45 to 50 hours only your complete knowledge will be, or complete concepts of Python will be dependent. Maybe you are planning to learn Python for DevOps or data science, machine learning or Django full stack developer. Without these 45 hours, we can't do this one. Try to see one weekend batch. Yes, content is same. That's why I'm showing to you. If you see this weekend batch, there are two weekdays. I'm sorry, weekdays batch. So see how we started the course and the flow of the course. Here started the Python introduction. Believe me here, I'm just going to take the session for only data types. There are 14 data types. We will change completely our thinking thought on Python. Only for data types only. This is a one. Only for to understand the data types. 14 data types, almost 20 sessions required. 20 hours is required. Okay, depend on the questions. It is a live training. It's not a one-way traffic. Which is a live training. Yes, here Dave. Guys, here weekdays batch is different, weekend batch is different. Sir, if even previously if I attended weekdays batch, can I attend into the weekdays weekend? No, not possible. Sir, already I registered on the weekend. Sir, already I want to join, already joined in the weekdays, Monday to Friday. Shall I join to here? No, not possible, sir. These both are different. Here very fixed way. We are going to take 30 members for this batch only. It is an interactive training. Even if you are attending for weekend, then after shall I come to weekdays? Not possible. Again, you have to register this one. Why? Because a valid, worthful, useful content I am providing here, right? And come back to the course content. So even how to install it, how to use it secondary. Why? Because we don't know anything. How can we understand, right? So for example, if you have a installed something on your Python, say for example, this is a Python console or you can use Jupyter or even we are going to use different editors, Visual Studio Code, Python, IDLE, Jupyter, Spider. All these are the editors we are going to see. See, even which is general English only. Why Python is very famous and very easy, simple. General English, how can you uh, speak and write the same way only here only. Yes, for example, I want to add two numbers. A, B, C equal to A plus B, print result. That's all. Print result. That's all. Your program is over. But try to understand the basic levels. It is very easy. If I am okay, every program is in this way. No, definitely here to understand the Python, it will helpful to you in complete your IT career. Not only for exactly for this cloud. No, everywhere it is available. Because here first concept is data types. Next one is a looping statements. Third one is a functions. Fourth one is a classes. These are the core factors. If you good at this one, You can play with any type of technology which is implemented by Python. See, this is a one, if you know about these four concepts end to end, object oriented programming. I mean, fourth point, object oriented programming. Just see these sessions, even running batch only. Even if you see the latest one, which was completed 12th January. So this is a way. Even if you take completed batches also, almost 75 hours. First Python related components is required. Even we can create any type of magic here. You can create the OTPs, you can do the any type of automation. You want to integrate with Jenkins or Git? Definitely. But you are you good at 45 hours in this training? 45 hours or 50 hours, whatever that one. 45 first up to classes concept when we go in this area, we can perform, we can write any type of thing. These are the core components in the complete Python. Even if you get any statement, Python is very easy, anyone can understand. Definitely. That things will be happen. Or when it is easy, when you are good at all these things, it is easy. It is easy. Guys, once if you go to the functions and classes concept, definitely we need a logical thinking about the programming. Today I am saying to you, no need any programming knowledge. But once if we go to the functions and classes concept, this is purely programming language. So programming knowledge is required. Programming knowledge is programming knowledge is required. Guys, one thing. So when we will start the functions almost after 30 hours. At that point you will get a good clarity. I mean, if I start the day one, I never go to the third option. The functions again there are six types. What is positional parameters, optional parameters, default parameter, variable length, keyword variable length, from the function calling, default argument, keyword argument. So once if you complete 192, you will get you have the ability of this one. And moreover, here you will get the programming with algorithms. I am not directly going to write any program on the screen. So we will develop the algorithms like here somewhere I written. Yes, these three sessions you can understand how to write an algorithm. For example, if we don't know any programming, then how to implement the algorithm. We are completely zero. Then how to start the algorithms? Like a blueprint, like a detailed explanation on paperwork we will do for first of all. Same code we will write in this algorithm. What is the step one, step two, step three? This is an algorithm. Algorithm means not a programming, which is like a plan to get the logic. I'm giving a good confidence to you. If you are a student or you are completed your academics or you are planning to learning, if you want to survive in the Python or cloud automation point, yes, happily you can choose it. We are going to see pin to pin explanation. You can take any one of the random video out of this one. I'm not saying particularly this one or that one. Random one, completed session I'm playing in front of you.
This
Just try to understand. I'm just trying to playing here a completed session. Just see anywhere you can verify it. DAR of your classmate without a single code. Or this is a documentation. Help of list. But this if you take these two, these both are different addresses. But initially their values are same. But IDs are different. IDs are different. IDs are different. Just try to listen this video few seconds. Independent. This concept we will call as a shallow copy. And the ADOT copy is only available to the you. Oh. Please check your voice. Okay, guys, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Now it is clear. Thank you. Okay, I'm just playing one video. That is a video voice. It is a, I mean, which one I'm playing? That is a video recorded video voice. It is not my voice. Okay, fine. Yes. Now let's see this one. So every day after every live session, you don't worry about the recorded sessions and will I have the download option. How many days I can access this one? Definitely, it will available to you 6 months. Day one onwards, you have the installation option. Sorry, download option. Yes, even not only we are going to learn the Python on Windows, on Linux platform. On the Linux platform also we are going to use. Come back to content here. What is the content we have in this course? Yes. The very first one, what is a Python and how to start this journey? Yes, it's the information whatever I said just now. And moreover, you will get the weekly assignments. I mean, you will get weekdays assignments. Weekly in the sense that is a general one. You will get after Saturday and Sunday session. You will get the one assignment. You can complete them in 1 week. So what is a Python and how to install it? What is the difference between scripting and programming purpose? Right? So even Python having different versions. Even if you learn the Python in 2018 or before, that approach, that syntaxes will not work in latest version. So Python having first version, second version, third version. We are using this one. Python will not support the backward compatibility. Right? So this syntax is completely different to here. Maybe you may have one question. Sir, tomorrow if I learn if tomorrow version number 4 will come, 3 will be going to, I mean, read out? No. Python very clearly announced this is a final syntax and final version also 3.11 point something. The minor versions will maybe change, but syntax is fixed. That is a great benefit for us. Yes, and Python is just a matter of 35 keywords. Now, if in English, how can you call what we will call in English? We have a what we will call 60 26 characters are there, na? Like these are the 26 characters. Your English, complete your English. Everything is automation here. But your Python is just a matter of this. If you know these 35 keywords, how to use it and where to use it, you are expert. That's all. This is your Python. Guys, your completely this course learning approach and implementation is completely different. It is completely different. Yes, which is a different manner we are going to learn, not only one element. Yes, this is a complete 35 keywords. If you know where to use it, what it does, and how to implement based on your automation. For example, if you want to create a bank project, definitely classes concept is mandatory. And file management also, how to create the reporting, CSV, JSON related one, how to read a file content, and how to open a folder. For example, how to check a file is available or not. That's why even if you see this one folder if I provide, is it available or not? Yes, that's why exclusively 25 modules after learning 45 hours training. After once if you get the 45 hour subject, you are expert in the Python. Then where we can implement it? We have almost 1.5 lakhs modules are there in entire Python. But where I can implement this my Python knowledge on your technology. Good. Maybe you are planning to learn data science or other things. That is secondary. But how to use this Python for that common useful modules I introduced in this training, which is very end you will get the use cases. I'm moving last. See, these 25 modules are added here, OS module. which is completely related to files and directories, even platform, random, yes, the date time, whatnot. Simply, if you provide one argument, how to find out the complete information, searching a file, but no programming knowledge. Up to 30 hours, general only, sir. How you are learning alphabet A, B, C, D. Just a syntaxes we have. Just we have a syntaxes. Yes, how to create the Jenkins pipelines. I mean pipeline creation. How to write the pipeline. I mean declarative format, syntax format is there, na? And then how to implement. Even not only here, Git also there. And exclusively with OS module, one of the Boto 3 module, it is a module. Module is nothing but, for example, if you purchase a Windows one laptop, you will install Windows operating system. If you want to play video VLC player, we will generally, na, say you need to install one VLC player, then you can play any type of video inside of it. Similarly, it's an external module related to your technology. For example, if you want to work with AWS cloud, AWS will provide a module that is a Boto 3. Based on the Boto 3, we will play with complete Azure cloud. Guys, sorry, Azure or AWS, anything. Boto 3 is related to AWS. Try to understand a clear statement here. I am not going to explaining to you your AWS. Already you have a knowledge on this AWS cloud, how to create or manage the resources, a Python module Boto 3. Already you are good at graphical user interface or portal, then how to we will implement? These will definitely enhance your knowledge in a different manner. Really, even not only the basic commands. Once we completed the modules, one of the concepts, then we will start the Boto 3. Right? How to set the files? Yes, I said Git also added here. Azure with Python and AWS with Python. Yes, these 25 modules will helpful to you in your daily life. How to create the command line arguments, CSV files, how to store the password, what is the command line arguments, how to create the a charting, like a WhatsApp charting point, how to create by using Python. Practically we have here. Not only direct way. Let me show you few of them. Even if I explain to you some program guys, it is easy for me. But what about I'm saying to you, if you ask a question, definitely we can easily write the code. That is not a matter. Once if you know the things, if you know the things, it is very easy to write. Anything we can find out. If I know the OS module from the all attributes we can find out. Even for that get size of get anything we can find out here. Try to understand the explanation point. But my intention is, without knowing these things, if I explain to you, what is the use? Just believe me, you may came from the reference or maybe with the help of you're referred by some friend or anyone else. Just believe me, a valid, genuine subject I am going to deliver in this training. Apart from this training, what is the other things we are going to learn? Yes, based on the requests, we are added that is related to not only this cloud related. Cloud is already directly added here. Pandas related content also added in this way. How to store the studio dimensional data in this area. Yes, NumPy related to NumPy related one we added inside of this. Right. So guys, first which is completely depends on your first 45 hours. These 45 hours will helpful to you in your complete IT career. Not only for this training. Everywhere these are the common things. You are any technology, you are belongs to any technology. Why we are calling Python is a programming and scripting languages? If anyone says Python is a programming language, yes, but also scripting language. This is developing for your survive like a developer, and this is for the automation engineer. Two areas we are going to cover in this training. Two areas we are going to cover in this training, right? So this is about the course content. And timings are, these are the fixed, they never be changed, that are fixed. Guys, is there any queries related to training? You can ask it.